Word. Microsoft create a word processor called Microsoft Word Multi-Tools. Word for Cynix system was its original name when it was released on October 25, 1983. Word in use in education context to create lesson plans, worksheet, assignment, and other academic tasks. Okay, let's start. How to use Microsoft Word. Part 1, create a basic document. So step 1 is open the Microsoft Word application. So how to open the Microsoft Word application? First is click this search. Then kapag may nakita kayong word na dito is hindi na natin kailangan mag-search pa dito ng word. I-click lang natin to ng double click. But, kapag wala tayong nakitang word dito is pwede natin siyang i-search dito. Example. So, ayan, na-search na natin yung word. So, may nakita tayo ditong word. So, i-double click lang natin siya. So, next step 2 is review the available template. So, you will notice several templates of entries at the top of the screen. First template is blank document, a blank Word document with the standard formatting. So, ito yung ginagamit natin kapag gumagawa tayo ng bagong document. So, kadalasan itong ginagamit ng mga EDUC student. Next is welcome to Word. Take a tour of Word using this template to learn and do the basic. Next is creative resume. Creative resume or cover letter, a neat pre-formatted resume and cover letter document. Next is student report with cover photo, a document format M at an academic audience. Next is fax cover sheet, a document used to preface fax report. Next is card framed template to create postcard. You can also use the search bar on the home screen to look for a specific template online from within Word. Okay? The step 3 is choose a template. It will open the template in Word with their predetermined formatting. It has now that your document is open, you can review your whole bar option. When in doubt, start with a blank document. So kapag wala pa daw is mag-start tayo dito sa blank na document na to. Next natin to. So part 2 is navigate the Microsoft Word toolbar. Click the File tab. So ito yung File tab. It is in the upper left corner of the screen for in the menu bar for Mac user. On the left side of your screen, you have several valuable options. So click the File tab. So first na makikita natin dito is yung New. Kasi yung document kanina is naipaliwanag na natin. Click this to open the new document page which contain a list of all the formatted template. When you open a new document, it will prompt you to save your previous one. Next is open. Open is see a list of recent appended or find documents. You can also search in a specific directory, for example, this PC. Next is info. Click this to review the document statistics such as when it was last modified or create in any potential issues like spelling, error, and etc. Next is this. Next is save. To save your document, click save. If you have saved this document, the first time you will see a prompt to enter a name, save location, and preferred file format. Next is the Save As. Click this option to save your document as something, example, save under a different name or file format. You can also use the option to save a Word document to a PDF file. Next is Print. Click this option to access your printed setting to print a Word document. So, click lang natin dito. If may document tayo, dito lang natin itong i-click. Next is share. To click this tab, to see the document sharing option include email and cloud option. Next is Next is export. Please click this to create a PDF, XPS document, or change the file type quickly. Next is transform. Click this to transform your document to a Microsoft Suite web page. Transform to web page. Lastly is close. Click this option to close your document. You will see a prompt asking to save or do not save your document content. So, wala pa tayong nakikita ditong save or do not save because wala tayong isinulat doon sa document natin kanina. Blank space lang siya, di ba? So, click the arrow in the top left corner of your screen. You will not have this option on a Mac. Click your document to access the file menu if you're using Mac. So, click this. So, third step in part 2 is review the home tab to see your formatting option. At the top of your document screen, from left to right, you will see 6 sub-sections of this tab. First is the clipboard. This is clipboard. Clipboard text is saved on your clipboard whenever you copy it by selecting the clipboard option. You can view copied text sample. So, yan. So, next is the font. You can change text, case, font, style, size, color, formatting, example, bold or italic, effect in highlighting from this section. Okay? Next is paragraph. Paragraph. This section allow you to change speak of your paragraph formatting such as line, spacing, alignment, indentation, and bullet formatting. Next is styles. This section discusses various text types for different situations. Example, headlinings, titles, and subtitle. You will also notice the famous no spin option, which eliminates extra space between line of text. Next is editing. Editing here, you will find frequently used tools such as find and replace, which quickly allows you to replace all appearance of one word with another. You can also use the select option to select object or text in your document. So, step 4 is click the Insert tab. Click the Insert tab, review the media type you can place in your document. It is to the right. Click Insert. It is to the right of the Home tab. Use the Insert tab to add graphics, picture, document, and page numbers to your document. Among the table options from left to right are the following. First is the table. By selecting this option, you can create an Excel style table directly with your document. The table. Next is picture. Insert an image into your document using this feature. So this device. So you can choose the screen or download sample this. Oh, you can use like that. So kahit tayo maglagay ng picture dito. Insert yun na. Next is yung shape. Insert ready-made shape using this feature. Yan. Next is comment. Add a note in your document using this feature. If you are a teacher, then your student submit uh, their their assignment. You can check through this comment. Okay. Next is head, footer, and page number. These options are required when writing in MLA of APA format. The header has a space at the top of the document for comment, while the footer adds at the bottom. You can customize page number. Next is equation. Equation or symbol. This option use special formatting to display simple equation correctly. You can choose this equation or symbol for the relevant drop-down menu. So, yan. Makikita natin dito yung mga equation for mathematics. So, yan. Then, yung sa symbol naman is makikita rin natin dito. So, ito. So, yan. Okay? So, yan. So step 5 is click the draw to tab to create your drawing. So click the draw to it is to the right of the insert tab. The drawing feature in Word can help you add notes, create shift, edit text, and more. The draw tab is also available in Excel and PowerPoint. The draw tab provides 3 drawing texture. Pen, pencil, and highlighter. Each with a unique look like want to select it and you are ready to begin drawing. If you want to change the color or thickness of the pen, click the drop down arrow next to it and choose your preference. Click away from the menu to it and choose your preferred. Click away from the menu to return to your drawing when you have finished. Ito yung pin natin. So, example. So, yan. Ganyan lang. So, kapag gusto naman natin siyang i-erase is, ito lang. Oh, di ba? So, click lang natin ulit ganito, ito pala. So, ayan. So, ayan, wala na. Wala nang drawing siya. So, you can use the ink to shift feature to convert your ink drawing to various shape. Okay, step 6 of part 2. Click the Design tab to create your template. It is to the right of the draw. So, ito yung Design tab. Click lang daw natin to create your template. The Design tab display design themes and document formatting option at the top of the page. So, yan. Step 7 is select the layout tab to change the formatting of your page. This tab includes option for modifying the following aspect of your document. First is margin. Margin, set the margin size for the entire document using this feature. Next is orientation. Orientation, change your page orientation to landscape or portrait. Landscape or portrait. Next is page size. Choose document size for your page using this option. Next is columns. Number of columns on the page default to 1. You can also add or remove columns. Next is breaks. Breaks, insert a section break to your page and select where the section start using this option. Next is hypernation. Hypernet a word using this feature. Next is indentation. Nakasulat dito is indent lang. Left or right. Sa spacing naman is before or after. Selection plane the object to change its order or visibility using this option. Step 8 of part 2, click the reference tab to manage your citations. You can also manage your bibliography page from here. First is to click the bibliography drop-down menu and choose a template for white bibliography formatting. This. You can choose the bibliography formatting from APE to MLE in the citation and bibliography group of option or other citation style. You can insert a table of picture from the caption. Group 8 is helpful in scientific review page or other document where statistical data is more critical than question. Next is you can insert authorized from the table of authorized group. It allows you to add status and other citation to your document. Next is you can create table content from the table of content group. It allows you to give an overview of your document. Step 9. Click the My Links tab to review your document sharing option. So click the My Links tab. This. You can check your email settings, start mail, merge, select reception, and share document from within this section. First, you can also create and print an envelope levels template by selecting it from the Create group in the upper left corner of your screen. Next is Start Mail Merge drop-down menu allows sending a document to multiple people. You can also insert different fields such as name and address. Next is selecting recipients. Drop-down menu lets you choose between Outlook contracts and an existing contract list in Word, or you can type a new list of recipients. Step 10 is click the review tab. So, click the review tab. Yun yung step 10 ng number 10 ng word na to. Since you can use the review section for editing, it includes document marking, and proofreading option among the essential options are spelling and grammar editor. Select this option for left corner to highlight spelling or grammatical mistake and writing suggestion. The proofing. So yung proofing section is on the far left side of the word toolbar. Use the word count feature to count the number of character, each word, paragraph, and lines in your document. The change is nandito. The change section, this section is on the far right side of the toolbar. You can enable the track change feature from here, which automatically format any addition or deletions you make in a document in read print. You can also jump from the previous to the next track change. The next is the protect section. Use the restrict editing option to prevent formatting change, track change, or allow only commenting on the document. Ito. Next is number 11. Click the focus mode to eliminate distraction. Click the focus mode to eliminate distraction. So, nandito yung focus mode natin. So, para, makikita nyo nga, kung makikita nyo naman, is wala talagang distraction dito. Eliminating distraction from your document to improve productivity. Press the ESC key on your keyboard to exit focus mode. So, click natin dito. Then, kapag i-press natin yung ESC, ganitong letter sa keyboard natin is exit na tayo dito sa focus mode na to. So, let's try. So, ayan. Tamang. So, yon. Exit na tayo. So, step 12 or number 12, decide on the option this. This apply to your work. For example, if you are a student, you are certain use the insert and reference. Kapag estudyante ka, is mas maganda gamitin natin yung insert at saka yung reference tabs. You can format your first Word document now that you are familiar with the toolbar option. Okay, let's try formatting your writing. First one is open a new blank. First one, punta tayo sa file. Then, open the new blank document in Word. If you already have a document, you can open it instead. So, try natin. kung meron tayong bagong documents, yun na lang ang ito-try natin. Example is, saan ba dito maganda? Ito na lang noon na kasi ito eh. Let's try new document. New document. Already have documents. So number 2 is how to enter text. Click on the blank selection of the document and start typing. So, di ba? How to enter text. So, mas maganda yata kung blank yung file natin. So, let's start a blank para mas maintindihan nyo yung tutorial natin dito. So, enter text. Click on the blank selection of the document and start typing. So, start typing on your keyboard. So, ayan. So, makaka-enter na tayo ng text dito. Okay? Auto delete nung press, then delete. Hindi, gano'n na lang. Mas maganda kasi may paliwanag ko sa inyo mamaya. Diba? Okay na ka? No. If you open an existing document, make a backup before reformatting. Number 3, highlight a selection of text. Click and drag your cursor across your writing and let go of the cursor when you have highlighted the area you wish to edit. Highlight like this. Ilong press lang natin dito. Kung wala kayong mouse is ano lang natin sa shift, din ditong arrow na ito, mamaya is picturean ko, din i-ganyan. Long press din, ditong nasa arrow na sa right side ng baba ng shift is i-ganito lang natin. Okay? So, ayan, maha-highlight natin siya through select this. Ayan, pwede natin din palitan yung kulay if ayaw nyo sa color niya. Sample this. O, diba? Step 4 is consider what you want to do to the writing. Some potential options include format. You are writing correctly. Right-click or two-finger click on your highlight text and choose an option from the right-click menu. Change the font of your choice. So, papalitan natin to. Always natin itong i-long press and select para mapalit. Ano ba yan? So, palitan natin ng font. Long press. Change font of your choice. You can select new font from the top down bar at the top of the font selection home tab. So, dito tayo magpapalit ng font natin. So, ayan, marami tayong pagpipilian dito hanggang sa baba. So, Times New Roman. So, ayan. Select, click lang natin. So, ayan. Make your highlight selection bold, utilize, or underline. Click the B, I, or so, kapag gusto natin siyang mas makulay, is i-bold lang natin. Then, yung I is, so, mapapansin nyo yung underline. So, mapapansin nyo may pinagbago yung letter natin. In the font selection of the home tab, change the color of your text. You can click the drop-down bar next to font color in the font group of the home tab and then choose a color. So, dito tayo magpapalit ng color ng text natin. Di ba, black yan. So, paano kung gusto natin i-white? So, di ba, ang pangit, hindi makita, or blue, red, green, sky blue. So, yan. So, next is change your document spacing. It is easy to do by right-clicking your select text, selecting paragraph, and adjust the line space value in the bottom right corner of the window. So, change the spacing. So, ayan. So, may 1.0, 1.15, 1.52, further, and etc. Then, kung gusto natin nasa center, itong text natin, isi-click lang natin dito. So, ayan. Number 5 is continue working with Word. Your preferred option for your document will vary depend on the purpose of creating them. So the more you work within your format, the more experience you will become. So how to save the document? Yung nagawa nating document. So paano ba ito siya isi-save? So punta tayo dito. Then pangalanan natin na yehey! May nagawa na kaming document. Ay, o yan lang. May nagawa na kami. So, save. So, ayun. Na-save na yun. Or di kaya, kung gusto niyo ng mas madali is, click nyo yung control, din yung S. So, makikita nyo naglibot yan. Kasi nga, gi-click ko ngayon dito sa keyboard yung control at saka yung S. So, ayun. Kung hahanapin natin kung nasan ba yung ginawa natin is punta tayo sa file. Then, makikita natin yung pinangalanan natin kanina dito na yehe, may nagawa na kami. So, click natin ito para gumawa. Ganong gamitin ang Microsoft Word na to. Punta tayo sa file kasi may ipapaliwanag ako sa ipapaliwanag ako sa inyo dito. Yan yung paliwanag ko sa inyo. Tips. A red line under word indicate a misspelling. A green line indicate a grammatical error, and a blue line indicate formatting. If you right click or two finger click on an underlined word, a replacement suggestion will appear at the top of the right click menu. Hold down the control or ganyan, hindi ko alam tawag, command key on a Mac and tap is to save your document. Napaliwanag ko na kanina yung control A.